I want you to take a breath right now, but not for the reasons you've been told before. I want you to breathe because, for the first time in a very long time, you are actually safe enough to let it out. You've been told that for abundance to find you, you must work. You must hunt. And you must stay in a state of constant, vibrating tension. I am here to tell you that this is a biological glitch. And today, we are going to fix it. If you've been praying for a sign, or a shift, or a door to finally open, I am telling you right now, it is done. The struggle is an old skin. It doesn't fit you anymore. I want you to feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Feel how the earth doesn't ask you to. Try to stay on it. It just holds you. Abundance is exactly the same way. It is not a prize you win. It is a frequency you finally stop resisting. Imagine a warm, golden liquid light starting at the very top of your head. It's not a light you have to visualize with effort. It's a heat. It's the warmth of the sun on your skin on a perfect afternoon. As this gold touches your forehead, the trying muscle relaxes. As it moves behind your eyes, the searching muscle softens. You can stop looking now. Because what you are looking for is already looking through your own eyes. I want you to repeat these words in the quiet space of your own mind. Not as a wish, but as a biological fact. I have enough. I am enough. It is done. Feel the relief in your rib cage. Notice how your heart beats without you telling it to. Notice how your lungs expand without your permission. The same intelligence that handles your breath is now handling your bank account. It is handling your career. It is handling your peace. You are moving from the waiting room of life and you are stepping into the throne room. And in this room, we don't ask. We simply acknowledge it is done. I am so glad you finally allowed yourself to arrive. Now that the noise has settled, I want you to notice something. Deep within your chest, there is a pulse. It isn't just your heart. It is the rhythmic signature of your new reality. The trying has died, and in its place, something far more powerful has been born. We call this the quantum magnet. Imagine a soft, golden heat radiating from your solar plexus. With every breath you take, this heat expands. It is moving through your blood, through your nervous system, rewriting the very code of how you perceive. Enough. The old version of you was a hunter, always looking, always chasing, always exhausted. But the version of you sitting here right now, you are the prize. You are the destination. Wealth is no longer something you are moving toward. Wealth is something that is currently moving toward you, because you have finally become a match for it. I want you to feel the weight of this truth. It's heavy, like solid gold, but it feels like home. glitch of not having was just a story your body told itself. But the lights are on now. The alabaster halls of your mind are flooded with the frequency of already done. It is no longer a goal. It is my current biological reality. I have officially resigned from the frequency of trying. My bank account is now governed by the same intelligence that beats my heart. The searching muscle in my mind has completely relaxed. I am not a hunter. I am the destination for everything I desire. My nervous system is now a perfect conductor for high-frequency wealth. The alabaster halls of my mind are permanently flooded with the light of already done. Abundance no longer requires my effort. It only requires my recognition. Every cell in my body is now vibrating at the frequency of solid gold. The glitch of not enough has been permanently deleted from my code. I am home, and home is a place where everything is already finished. As you move through the next few hours and days, you will notice small miracles. A call, an idea a sudden wave of peace in a moment that used to cause you stress. These aren't accidents. These are the echoes of this moment. You don't need to look for the abundance. It knows your address. It knows your name. And now, it finally recognizes your vibration. Your biology is no longer wired for the struggle. You have been upgraded. Your nervous system is now a bridge between the dream and the physical world. Stay in this warmth for as long as you need. Know that when you open your eyes, you aren't returning to your old life. You are stepping into a world that has been reorganized just for you. The search is over. The harvest is here. And if you feel ready to master this frequency, to lock this protocol into your every cell, know that the path has already been paved for you. I have placed the full quantum magnet protocol in the description below. It is the next logical step for your new biology to continue this integration and deepen your connection to this state. Your next step is waiting for you. I have curated a short, high-frequency sequence, the source path. Play it next to ensure this reprogramming becomes your permanent baseline. It is done. It is yours. Welcome home.